Hi, this video is to introduce the swing wave calculator indicator from Indicator Warehouse. The swing wave calculator indicator is designed to quickly calculate the distances between swing highs and swing lows. It can calculate the distance in the number of bars between those two nodes. It can also calculate the number of ticks or the number of points. It can even calculate the number of contracts traded between two bars. So let's go ahead and show you the indicator here. I've got it attached to the chart, and I'm just going to draw some dots on the chart. I put a dot at every swing node that we run into. So let's go ahead and go to chart marker, dot, and I'm going to draw one here because that's a swing low from this point, and a swing high here. Now the moment I put that second dot in, I have a upward swing defined. And right now I've set the indicator to calculate the number of bars between those swing points. So from here to here, we see that there are 6 bars that occurred. I'm going to select this point right here, and it shows there's 6 bars between here and here. Let's go ahead. I think we have a little minor swing high there. Let's put one down here, up here, here. That one looks like the swing high. That's a swing low. Go here to here. These chart markers are very easy to add. They're also very easy to delete if you've made a mistake. They're also very easy to move. You just drag them, and you can see that the calculation changes with it. So what now? I've got 8 up moves defined and 8 down moves, and we see in the statistics up here that we have an average of the up moves. They are 4.1 bars in length, typically. With the deviation there, standard deviation of 2.2. Now the average for the down moves, those are a little shorter. They're about 3.9 bars. So they're roughly 4 bars each one on average. So we have an average move of 4 bars up and an average move of 4 bars down, as you can see right here by the average number 4.0. Now an interesting feature that we have in this indicator is we calculate the average of the high to the high. So from this high to this high, from this high to this high, from this high to this high, here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. All those distances are added up. There's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm sorry, 7 of them. And we find that the average high to high is about 8 bars. So we're looking at typically the ES in this last couple of months has gone from high to high every 8 bars. Very interesting number to know. Also, the low to low average number of bars has been 8. So from low to low, on average, has been 8 bars in length. Very interesting. So that might be able to help you identify when swings are occurring in your market of choice. Now, the good thing about this indicator, not only does it show you the bar counts, but I want to show you some of the other methods it uses to some of the output types. So we can show the output type as bars. We can also show the number of ticks between these swing points. We can show the number of points. ES points is dollars, so we can show the number of points. Let's go ahead and apply that, and we see now this is a dollar value. We had a 72.25 point drop, and an 86.25 dollar rise, $45 or 45 point drop, $60 rise in the swings. So it's very helpful to show you the average swings in dollar amounts or point amounts. You can see we had a 16. We had some moves up and down there. Very important. Now some of the other features here. Oh, let me show you this too. And not only that, but we can also show both ticks and bars together. So let's go ahead and do that. The number of ticks is negative 289 ticks down in a matter of 4 bars. 345 ticks up in a matter of 5 bars. There's some other parameters here. We can filter the dots. If you only want to calculate based on the pink dots, we can select the color of the dot we want to show. We also have the ability to automatically print the dot locations using a ZigZag formula and not using a manual method. So that's where these parameters come in handy here. So there's a whole bunch of operations and differences here and some parameters that we can play with. Feel free to ask us any questions you like, and thanks again for coming to watch this video.